Another second stable update for OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro is being rolled out by OnePlus. And this time it's Oxygen OS 11.0.1.1, which brings lots of bug fixes and optimizations to the Android 11 for OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. And the update size is 399 MB. If you guys haven't received it via OTA update, I'll leave the files in the description below. You can download those files and place it inside the internal storage. Once you're done with that, you just have to go to System Update section. Tapping on the gear icon towards the right top corner, you'll see an option of Local Upgrade. You just need to tap on Local Upgrade and select the file of the update given in the description below. The update should automatically start. After successfully completion of installation package, you just need to tap on Reboot to finalize the installation process. A device has been successfully updated to the latest version of Oxygen OS 11. Before checking out the changelog, let's talk about the software information. Under About section, you can see this is my OnePlus 8. Android version is Android 11, and now we have got this security patch of 1st October 2020. Google Play system update is still 1st September 2020. After this update, launcher version has been updated, version 5.0.1.2, but this doesn't bring any kind of new additions to the launcher. Camera version have also been slightly updated, and now their version is 5.6.30, which still have this missing feature of focus tracking in the video section. With this new update, we have few bug fixes and a new addition done. We have lots of improvements done related to system for Oxygen OS 11. Till now performance seems to be good, but you'll get a better idea once I do a complete review, wherein I'll be doing few gamings and battery drain test. Then they have also done few optimizations related to the adaptive brightness and few improvements in the algorithm of adaptive brightness. Most of you guys were reporting this issue. Hopefully it has been fixed after the latest update. You guys let me know in the comment section below whether it's been fixed or not. Then few optimizations have also been done related to the background process management mechanism to improve standby performance. So let's wait and watch how much optimizations they have done with this latest update. Later they have also fixed the black screen issues. Yes, I used to face black screen issues when I used to open up gallery, but this time it has been fixed and I don't find any kind of issues when I open up gallery application. And with this new update, they have also done few optimizations and changes in the quick setting panel. Initially we used to get only 2 lines, but now they have added another extra line in the quick setting panel, by which now we get access to more quick setting tiles. And later few improvements related to stability of the device. Along with this new update, OnePlus have also added the new feature of canvas, which was missing on the initial stable build but was available on the beta channel for OnePlus 8 series. And you can enable that canvas feature by long pressing on the home screen, tapping on wallpaper, and towards the left side you can see canvas feature, which is still in beta phase. Additionally, you can also access this feature by going inside the settings, customizations, and here you can see that feature of canvas. And this feature automatically draws a wireframe picture based on the lock screen photo. On beta 3, we already have the support of always on for canvas feature, but that's still not available on the stable channel. Next changes are done related to network, and for Indian users, first one is not at all useful, which is related to 5G connection. Then they have also done few optimizations related to Wi-Fi. And yes, on the previous build I used to have issues with the Wi-Fi hotspot, but after this update my Wi-Fi hotspot works great. After even enabling Wi-Fi hotspot, I wasn't able to connect on my other devices, but that issue is no more after this latest update. Later few optimization have also been done related to Bluetooth, in which they have optimized the Wi-Fi connection to reduce transfer delay. Later fixing the low probability issue that it was muted after connection. So I never faced any kind of issues related to Bluetooth. If you guys have faced, then do let me know in the comment section below. I use a lot of Bluetooth but never face any kind of issues. My Samsung Buds and OnePlus Wireless Z works great on Oxygen OS 11. So guys, these were the changes made with latest stable version of Oxygen OS for OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. You guys drop down all your issues which you used to face on the previous builds. We'll check all that issues and update you guys in a complete review. Now let's talk about the benchmark results. With Geekbench application, single core have scored 890 and multi-core have scored 2922. But on the previous update, which was the first stable update for OnePlus 8 series, on that single core had scored 870 and multi-core has scored 3050. So slight lower benchmarks on multi-core. With Antutu benchmark application, scores are 5,50,640. So guys, this was all about the latest update for OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. If you still have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.